beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I show you a super easy way to do gloss on your eyelids. Before we jump into the video, make sure to give it a like, a little comment, subscribe, follow me on all my social media, and let's get started. Okay, so as y'all can tell, I already have my base makeup done. I have bronzer, blush, highlight on, my eyebrows are done, and since there's no new products there, I decided to just speed up through that part because let's be real, you guys are here for the eye look today, not to hear me talk about the same base makeup routine that I always. So before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys in a little bit closer so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. So guys, my plan today is to do kind of like a brown, smoky eye glam sort of look first, and then we will move into the glossy at the end. It's probably one of the last steps that you do. So today I will be going into the Morphe 24G palette. I'm gonna start out today in the crease with a mixture of these two colors right here. And I am taking that on the outer and sweeping it in towards the inner corner while blending and using small circular motions to blend all the way. Just make sure that that color is really blended. Going in with a clean, fluffy brush, I am going to go around the edges and just clean up around the edges. And going in on the other side, doing the exact same thing. I like the way that looks. So going in with a darker color on the outside, I am going to take this brown color right here and put that mainly on the outer portion of my eye, but sweeping it in a little bit into the crease as well. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that I made when I was trying to do my first glossy eye is that I literally, from this step, the top of your eye is basically done. But you cannot put gloss on it yet because you have not put on lashes. Now, lashes need to go on before the gloss goes on, or else the glue has nothing to stick to. I learned this the hard way. Please do not make my same mistake. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on really fast, and I will be right back. While my lash glue dries, I'm gonna go back in with some concealer on this flat brush right here, just to clean up the edges because I don't plan on putting on any like harsh liquid liner. Okay, y'all, so now that the lashes are on, we can get to the fun part of the video, which is the gloss. You're gonna wanna take a gloss. Now, I wouldn't recommend using the one I'm gonna use. This one is the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the shade Gold Dust. Here's why I don't recommend this one. I remember that last time my eyelids got a little tingly, felt a little weird because this is a lip plumper at the end of the day. I don't recommend this, but I know that it's gonna turn out really pretty, so I'm gonna do what I wanna do. Use your discretion, don't do it. Use a regular one, much better option. I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush right here, which is literally just a flat liner brush. This is exactly what I just used to cut the edges of my eyeshadow. I have so many of these though. So what you're gonna wanna do is pack on the gloss. You're gonna wanna take it and just follow your crease around, just as if you were going to cut the crease. Now you can totally just go ahead and put on the gloss with the applicator the gloss comes with. Only problem with that for me is sanitary things. I do not want, you know, whatever bacteria is on my lips to go to my eye. And that's basically what you're going to want it to look like. that like high shine, high gloss effect. And we're gonna take that, and I'm going to take mine all the way till about here, but mostly my entire lid in a rounded circular motion, almost like a half crescent all over the lid. So once you're done, you're gonna have something that looks a little bit like this. It looks super, super pretty and super just like high gloss, high fashion. Now, what I just remembered I forgot is to do the bottom part of my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly. I'm first gonna take this NYX Eye Kohl pencil and put that in the waterline. Now, in my opinion, this would look better if you had like a dark brown liner instead of a black liner, but I have been back to Target maybe 5 times, and every time they don't have a brown liner in like the type that I like. So I've just been struggling without. And going back in with that dark brown color from before on this smudger brush, I'm going to smudge right underneath the black. Go ahead and add some eyeliner right in the inner corners of my eyes. And if I didn't just say it, this is the NYX Epic Liner gel, or not gel, this is the NYX Epic Liner like pen liner. Okay, y'all, so the look is nearly over. I just need to put on some mascara and some lippy. I really like doing the gloss on as like eyeshadow a lot. I really like that look because it just adds something different. Like this, usually just a brown smoky eye, but then you add that on and it's like, okay, she got a little bit more glam. She put a little bit more thought. She put a little bit more effort into what she did, and it actually looks so cute. So I'll come in because now it is over. So today for lips, I'm gonna do a red because I have not done a red on my channel yet, and why not? So I'm gonna first go in with the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner. That was a lot to read. And I'm going to line my lips. And this is in the shade Red Tape. Red and the green are definitely giving me Christmassy vibes. And that, my loves, is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. Like I said before, this look can easily transform your day look into a night look with a little dark brown shadow, a little lip gloss, and some eyelashes. Girl, you are ready to go. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, beauties.